What's up guys, I'm Anamik and welcome to my channel Anamik Tech Talks, where I post videos regarding how to make money online every single day. And today I'm going to talk about how you can make money just by sharing your opinions through your video and voice. And before I proceed, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel, because I post videos regarding how to make money online every single day. So today, let's get started. As you can see on the screen, this is called voxpopme.com, okay, where you can what you have to do is you have to download their app, which is available on the app store, and then you have to like answer some of the questions, and you have to watch something, and then you have to share your opinion through by doing a video, okay. So as you can see on this website, what you do is you have to capture rich quality feedback from consumers all over the world, and whether you have an own audience or whatever. Analyze qualitative insight can now be analyzed at a quantitative scale. Leverage our robust automated analysis to uncover key insight. Okay, so now here we what you have to do is you have to go to this section called VoxPopMe paid video surveys. Okay, you have to download the app from the app store, and what it does is you will get paid for sharing your opinions. A simple way to voice your opinions and make money. That means you have to create your own video, and you have to provide the opinions regarding the service or the product, whatever be the case. This exciting app is a simple way to make money from expensive reviews on products, services, and adverts and more. Brands they have partnership with brands and stuff like that. So they have really good brands, and what you have to do is you have to create the videos, providing them with your opinions to make their services better. That's it, and it's simple to use. Just follow the live stream of paid question survey waiting to be answered. Then select a question, record your video opinion, and receive a cash reward. That means what you have to do is you have to follow the stream. There's a stream going on, and you have to just follow the stream, and there will be some questions that will come up on the screen, and you have to select those questions which you are interested in to answer, and then you have to create your 30 seconds or 20 or 30 seconds video answering those questions, and you have to send it over to them, and then you will get rewarded in cash. Okay, now as you can see here, there are short surveys available, and easily view any videos, PDFs, or images. PayPal integration, you can cash out with using your PayPal payment. PayPal is a really convenient way to get paid via like online. So, and it's the most easiest and the fastest way. So I recommend use a PayPal account, and that's what you need. And make sure it's a verified PayPal account. Okay. Now, as you can see, you can also invite friends to earn some money, and you'll get push alerts, and social sharing and stuff like that is also included with the app. And it has really nice reviews. I use this. For instance, take a look at this. I used to like this app, but recent reviews restored. Okay, no problem. Best survey app ever. I gave it for 4 stars only because I didn't get as much service, but other than that, it is awesome, and the payouts is really fast to people. That means this review validates that it's a legit app that pays, okay, for sharing your opinions. As simple as that. You have to just create a 30-second video. That's all. That's what it's all about, and that's incredible. And VoxPopMe paid service, you can go to Google and search VoxPopMe paid video service, and you will see the result will come, and then click on it, or you can search it here on the Google Play Store if you want, and that's what it will show. And this is the same website, and watch the video. As you can see here, okay, success stories share the most innovative brands use. Okay, better understanding consumer needs, and that's what they're showing, what they have to do. That is okay. I guess I'm clear to you guys, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel, because I post videos regarding how to make money online every single day on my YouTube channel. And as a disclaimer, and there's no guarantee that you will make money by following this tutorial, and there's no guarantee you will make a single dollar out of it, and I recommend you to check it out and see if it works for you. That's okay. And I hope this video is really helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next video.